Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken biryani. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including about 1 kilogram of chicken and 500 grams of fragrant basmati rice. Ensure your chicken is cut into medium pieces for optimal cooking. Don't forget to soak your rice for at least 30 minutes. This simple step makes a huge difference in texture. Having all your spices and herbs prepped will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the heart of the flavor, marinating the chicken. In a large bowl, combine your chicken with about 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Stir in some fresh mint and cilantro. Let this marinate for at least 1 hour, or even better, overnight for maximum flavor absorption. With our chicken marinated, it's time to assemble and cook. First, partially cook your soaked basmati rice until it's about 70% done. It will finish cooking with the chicken. In a heavy-bottomed pot, sauté 2 large sliced onions until they are beautifully golden brown. Now, layer the marinated chicken at the bottom, followed by a layer of the partially cooked rice. Sprinkle with fried onions, a few drops of saffron milk, and fresh herbs. The final step is the magical dum cooking process. Seal your pot tightly, perhaps with dough or foil to trap the steam inside. Cook on a very low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the rice to cook perfectly. Once done, gently fluff the biryani with a fork to mix all those wonderful layers. Serve this aromatic dish hot with a side of cool raita or a fresh salad. Enjoy your homemade biryani.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.